In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom events in HubSpot. Custom events are a powerful way to track specific user actions or data points that are most relevant to your business. Whether you're looking to streamline data collection, set up advanced integrations, or just keep your team aligned with clear event tracking. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, locate the settings icon at the top corner of the main navigation bar and click on it. This will take you to the settings menu, which is essentially the control center for managing all your customizations and preferences in HubSpot. Think of it as your personalization hub to tailor the platform to your needs. Now, let's navigate to the section where you'll manage your custom events. Look at the left-hand sidebar within the settings menu. Here you'll see a variety of categories to choose from. Scroll down and click on Data Management. This is where all the behind-the-scenes organization happens. Within Data Management, you'll find an option labeled Custom Events. Go ahead and click on that. This is the dedicated area for managing all your existing custom events, and it's also where you'll create new ones. It's like your dashboard for keeping track of every custom action you want to monitor. Next up, we're going to create a new event. On the Custom Events page, you'll see a button labeled Create Event. Click on that to start building your event. HubSpot will now prompt you to choose the type of event you want to create. Depending on your use case, you have several options here. If you're working with advanced data integrations, you can select Send Data via API. For those who prefer a hands-on coding approach, you might choose Code with JavaScript. Alternatively, if you're handling a large amount of data at once, you can opt for Import from a spreadsheet. And finally, if you're looking for a user-friendly visual setup, you can use the Event Visualizer. Each of these options is tailored to different levels of technical expertise and customization needs, so pick whichever works best for your situation. Once you've chosen your event type, it's time to define the details. Start by entering a clear and descriptive name for your event. This step is more important than it might seem. Having a clear name ensures you and your team can easily identify the event later without confusion. Next, add a description that explains the purpose of the event. Think of this as a short note to remind everyone of why this event exists and what it's tracking. After that, you'll need to associate your event with an object. In HubSpot, objects are categories like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Associating your event with a specific object helps keep your data organized and ensures it aligns with the rest of your workflow. Once you've linked your event to the appropriate object, it's time to define the specific properties of the event. These properties are the exact data points you want to track or analyze. For example, if your event is tracking webinar signups, properties might include fields like date of registration or webinar topic. Defining these properties is crucial because it determines what information HubSpot will collect for this event. Now that you've completed the setup, it's time to finalize everything. Carefully review all the details you've entered, double-check the event name, description, associated object, and properties to make sure everything is accurate. When you're confident everything looks good, click the Create or Save button to finalize your custom event. This step officially completes the setup and makes your event live and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom event in HubSpot. You now have the tools to track specific actions or data points that are essential to your business, all while keeping your team aligned and your data organized. If you're new to HubSpot and don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description below to get started. So now you know exactly how to create and set up custom events in HubSpot. If you have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic, let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.